Good morning, Mr. Khai. So what are we doing this morning? My husband is up.
Today Dalgona coffee.
Dalgona what?
Coffee.
Okay.
So what we need?
Yes.
1 spoon of coffee, 3 spoons of sugar.
Okay, so we have here 1 spoon of coffee and 3 spoons of sugar.
Yeah. After
Okay.
that,
And milk?
No, not add milk.
Okay.
After that, we will add 2 spoons of water. Then we have to mix it well. After mixing maybe 10 minutes, you will get like this thickness.
Seriously?
Yeah.
With your hand?
Yes.
Okay.
It's a little bit hard work, but after 10 minutes, you will find it out like this paste.
Let me see. Oh, that consistency, ne?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this.
Oh, okay.
Then you can use the warm milk or cold milk as you wish. Like we are using a hot milk.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Like this, half cup. Just for decoration, how you want it as you wish.
Also, the top part is just for the, but isn't it adding the flavor to the, it will infuse into the warm milk, ne?
I can do this, I can make the full one.
Yeah, a little bit fuller.
Then on top I can add Dalgona coffee. Like you can see how thick it is. It must be like this. This is just a 1 spoon of coffee.
And can you use any type of coffee, or is it a specific?
Good coffee, Nescafe. Any good coffee, not like
The cheap brand?
cheap coffee.
Or actually not? Maybe the.
After that you can see much.
Wow, it looks
Yummy.
yummy. I'm sure you the coffee lover will love it. So you are just beating continuously for 10 minutes.
Continuously 10 minutes is 1 spoon only. This is a 1 spoon coffee.
Okay.
Now you can see how thick it is. Then you have to do this.
It's floating. It's actually floating on top of the warm milk.
You have to mix it.
Yeah.
You can see on top also. This is the real way of Dalgona coffee. Some people are making, but half of it. Not fully done.
Must you leave it to infuse into the milk, or can you just drink straight away like that?
Just melt it like this. Mix it. It's better. And then it will give you a full flavor.
Full flavor.
It's just a 1 spoon which one normally we are drinking. But this is something different. You can try this.
Can you try? I want to see your face on camera.
No,
Oh, yeah.
you cannot try.
Just go ahead. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Can you do that again?
Yeah.
You see? He loves coffee. What is the name?
Dalgona.
Dalgona Coffee.
Everybody can try until lockdown will be finished.
So is this a challenge? Ah,
That's the best way.
okay.
I'm so excited now to drink my own coffee.
Wow.
Let's taste it.
Let me have a taste. Let me have a go.
So it's not for people who can drink, it's just for people who can struggle and work hard. Please give me back my coffee.
Love, this is seriously nice stuff. Seriously?
Please, I don't believe it, give me back. Thanks so much. If you want it, we have a reserve coffee which we can make for you. Here is the cup.
In that cup? Oh my goodness.
Because you don't like too much coffee, that's why I didn't.
I don't like coffee, but this is a different take altogether. I mean, it's something else. It's great stuff. I'm not lying to you people. Seriously, this is
Real coffee.
real coffee for people that don't like coffee or whatever.
People don't know.
I'm not a coffee drinker. I drink tea. I actually am not a coffee or tea drinker.
Green
at all.
tea drinker.
Yeah, green tea
More shampoo.
mostly time.
That's why I'm not drinking.
Ah, okay. But how did you come about this? I mean, where did you
Just once
get
in
it
a while
from?
on the internet.
Oh, on the net, ne?
Just one time. That's all. So this is too
But
much
is it
popular.
something that is trending
This
now?
is
Or
not
what?
too much, yeah, trending.